All right, this is the recording for if you missed today's meet. It is Monday, August 17th. So what we did was first I went to Google Classroom, and then I went through. So I went here, went under classwork, and I went through all of this. So here is a sheet that has the virtual meeting times. This was the information sheet with contact information, and basically the two important websites are johnstoninstructure.com, that's Canvas, and we will be using Classcraft, so we'll be doing that later. I went through, I think the grading would be one of the more important parts. I don't give tests, so these projects mean quite a bit. They're almost at 50%. Then quizzes and notes. All my quizzes are OpenNote, and taking notes is going to be kind of fill in the blank on the computer. And then classwork is 30%. There is a 5% late penalty. The due dates will be in Canvas, but if you go after the due date, then every day it will be a 5% penalty. There is a second date, and that's the lock date. And after the lock date, you will not be able to do that anymore. It will have been too late. I do have extra credit. It's going to be available in Google Classroom. That is if, let's say, you did miss the date and it's locked now and you can't get into the assignment, or you got a C on a project and you want an A. So that will be there. Right? Then the link for attendance, this must be filled out daily and for each block. Then I've got lesson plans. So here I've got the link, the Canvas link, Classcraft link. These are the two important ones. First block did not get to the discussion question. I am going to go over that in this video because rapid identity was fixed. So we went over introduction syllabus, and then now we're doing the discussion. Who are you? All right. So that's going to be for today. So, oh, hang on. Let's go ahead and click on this. So, students, when you get here, you need to use the number that you have. It goes into PowerSchool. Not into, it's the same number you use for PowerSchool. So, like, it'll start with a number. And then the password, mine is saved. If you do not know this password, if you did not know the number should be on your schedule. But if you don't have it, if you contact me, I can give you the number and I can reset the password so that you can get in. So, get in here. All right. So the next thing that you're going to see is this area. Yours will look different than mine because you might have different classes. You might have some that are public. Like, you should see only kind of this up here. The one you want to go into for me is Social Studies 7, and it'll have this history picture. So we'll click on that. And then, while I'm here, I'm going to go into Student View so that this is what you should see as a student. So the first assignment is this discussion, who are you? So you'll click on that. And so here is the actual assignment. So you're going to answer these questions. To answer those questions, you need to click on reply. Be sure you do not type in this search bar. This will allow you to, like, if I wanted to find my answer, here it is by putting that in here. But you can also see how the reply disappears if I do that. If I take that out, we're going to hit reply. This is how to do the assignment. So hit reply, and then you'll be typing in this box. And I would just number it. You can copy this and paste it and go after, or you can just type it right here. So number 1, like Mulliken, 2, and just go all the way down till I'm through number 10. Once done with number 10, that's when you're going to go over here and you're going to hit post reply. So you'll post that, and then you are done for Monday. I'm going to hit cancel because I have one already. And there are some down here. Try not to say I don't know or ITK. Really try to think about some of this because otherwise it's boring for me and it doesn't help me get to know you. And some of this you might have to think about it, and it might take you a little bit to figure out what your answer is. All right, and that is it for today.